Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how I created custom heart-shaped acrylic night light with a personal touch. I took a real photo of someone special, edited and engraved it on clear acrylic to make glowing keepsake that's both meaningful and beautiful. Let's walk through how it all came together. I started with a regular photo in this case, a portrait of a girl. The first thing I did was open it in Photoshop and carefully remove the background. I used the select subject tool and refined the edges so the cutout would look clean. Then I placed the person inside a heart-shaped frame. This was important because I wanted the final engraving to have a romantic or emotional vibe, perfect for a girl or decoration. Next, I saved the design and uploaded it to the pixvg.com. It's a free tool that converts bitmap image into clean vector files. That's essential because most laser machines need vector format like SVG to work properly. Once the site proceeds the image, I uploaded the SVG and got it ready for the laser software. Now I move into XTool Creative Space, the software I use my engraver. I imported the SVG file, resized it to fit my acrylic sheet, which is shaped like a heart, and centered everything perfectly. I also checked the position and orientation to make sure it would look right once engraved. Because I'm engraving on clear acrylic, I use settings that work well for sharp photo engravings. I went with high power and a slow speed. That combination usually helps pull out more detail, especially in faces and soft edges. Each machine is a bit different, so you may need to do a few test runs. But for me, this setting gave great result. Once everything was set, I started the engraving process, watching the laser bring this photo to life line by line. Was honestly really special. You started with a flat piece of acrylic and slowly you see a person's face and emotion come through. That's what I love about this work. So that's how I made personalized heart-shaped acrylic nightlight from just a photo and a bit of creativity. It's a perfect gift, whether for a birthday, anniversary, or just to show someone you care. If you like this project, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you'd like me to try next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.